So I discussed yesterday the Irish word for melting, Léaghadh, that's what's said in southwest Donegal. And I made a video last year about that word, and when I went to look for it in the dictionary, I couldn't find it. I presumed it would be spelt the same, because Léaghadh, meaning to read, but I couldn't find it. And I did find it in the Léaghadh, which is a book on Teeling and Glencombe Irish, and so I'll just show you here. So there you have Léaghadh, melting, Léaghadh. So now I'll show you what's in the standard dictionary for it, the O'Donnell dictionary, and it's different. So Higla, Ekel and Shaw, you can see here they've lay to melt, which is different to what we say here in southwest Donegal. And even when you go to the Donegal pronunciation of it, the Ulster, lay, which obviously isn't what we say, Léaghadh, we say. So I suppose just showing a case of sometimes when you know a word and the dictionaries are telling you otherwise, and even the main dictionaries, but you have to go digging then in some of the old books to replicate that actual sound, which can be a bit of a chore sometimes. But yeah, I just thought I would share that. Sometimes the challenges that you have to go to find the pronunciation that you have. So it's just interesting.